Hello and welcome to my second video. Today we're gonna just be doing Splatoon. I don't really know what I'm doing here, but I just don't really know. Okay. I feel like we'll start off with a bit standard. I don't need this. This is a waste of my time. This capture card actually looks pretty nice. Nice in here. Oh my god, the colours look so much better in here. It's my first time playing with a capture card. Oof. Okay. I'm going straight for the middle. Cute. That's why you never use inkjet, kids. Okay, he's coming. Now tough. Oh, and then coming. Whoopee! Pow! Kaponk! Skidababab! Scabadabad! Oh, it makes a little ink explosion. Oh my god, I was splattered by probably like a level 1. Yo, someone go check that. I don't edit my videos and I record them on one attempt. Unless like my capture card crashes. So I don't know if that dude was level 1. Ah! Bro, we're losing! No! Run. This is not a good first impression for the Splatoon fans. God damn it. Monkey mode activate. Bro, get him, get him, get him, get him. We got him. It's gonna be close, really close. Did we win? Did we win? I can't actually tell. Oh my god! We did it! Oh, we're so good at this game. Yeah, yeah. What we do, what we do. Yeah, yeah. We beat a bunch. We're like around level 10 and we beat a bunch of like level 20s. Well, I did like have to restart my save data because I couldn't, back then, save cloud wasn't a thing. And for me at least, save cloud wasn't a thing. And, well, wait 1 second, let me just... Okay, so, okay. Oh, 1 sec. I don't really know what to do right now. To be ranked. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do some stuff just for a second. Okay, so I have it set up. Now we're back. Oh, we got tower control. That's actually pretty nice. We're at checkpoint 1. They're using the ink spray. We took the tower back. No, help, help. Oh, god damn it, god damn it. Oh, then they're gonna be at checkpoint 1 soon. Oh, it's pretty laggy right now. For a cheap capture card, this is good though. Bro! He's a splashdown! Oof! We're gonna die? We're gonna easily get booyah bombed on. We took it! We took it back! Monkey mode! Yeah! Help, 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 ah, 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 ah! Why? I keep falling into the water. It's a bit laggy. This is high caliber gameplay. Kill him! What? It's all the way there? What the hell? Yo, they're gonna die. Easy. Suck. Oh no 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 no. I suck too. We both, all of our team sucks, including me. Let me check how long this recording is. Okay, after this I'm gonna close the video up. Sorry about that part where I basically just AFK'd. I was just talking to my friend. Oh god. Go on, go on, go on. Did we win? Did they get the KO bonus? No! Damn! We lost. Oh, we lost really bad. And I'm gonna end the recording here. Bye. Please follow on Twitch. I would accept donations. Okay, bye. Bye.